This is a 2013 Toyota Highlander. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, a continuous variable transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a power moonroof, heated seats, a 9-speaker audio system, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, front side impact airbags, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 39,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.